If you aren't keeping up with the latest Google email marketing update, your autoresponder will get banned. Email list verification is the only way to save your autoresponder. MyEmailVerifier.com helps to verify your lists and protect your sender reputation. I have been using this service for 6 months now. And when I uploaded my cleaned emails into my MooSend autoresponder, none of them was blacklisted. And when I sent a newsletter to them, all of the emails got delivered. MyEmailVerifier.com can verify 100,000 emails quickly with 99% accuracy from my experience. MyEmailVerifier.com has a free plan that you can use to try it and find out for yourself what it can do for your business. If you want to be on the good book of major email service providers like Gmail, Yahoo, then you have to start using a reputable email list cleaner like MyEmailVerifier.com today. Thank you for watching.